Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip probably won't be that unusual, but for some of you, you might have thought of it but not done it. And others of us may have done it, but only in certain conditions. So if this doesn't seem like a new tip to you, but doing it in different conditions would make it new, that's what my tip is meant to be for you. So very, very simple. But one of the things that's really, really important to us in any Taoist art, but certainly Tàijíquán, is our connection to the earth, our connection to the sky. So for me, no hat. And I rarely have a hat on when I'm actually practicing. I might have it when I'm on camera a lot because I'm in a studio with the volume on the fans, the heat off, right? So all the heat is off, and I might kind of keep my hat on for a little bit. But the tip is to practice bareheaded and barefooted. For some of us, that's normally how we practice, fine. But then you might say, well, let me practice on the gravel. Let me practice in the mud. Let me practice up to my ankles in water. Let me practice on the grass. Let me practice on the stone. Let me practice on the whatever. Let me practice under a cloudy sky, under a bright sun, maybe practice under the full moon or what have you. So very, very simple idea, but practice barefoot is exceedingly important. And it doesn't mean you have to have a 3-hour practice session barefoot and burn your feet or anything or scuff them up. But try it a little bit, maybe just in your bathroom. Try it on cold tile, try it on a carpet, okay? So thank you very much. And, soak in the sunshine, soak in the moonlight, soak in the earth chi, and then let out from your heart. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.